Alright, this is an air tractor which actually sits there and sprays the fields. I'm out here with Joe and he's actually going to show me the inside and so forth. They're ripping it down, replacing the motor because it has 5,000 hours on it and they're going to need to rebuild it and stuff of that sort. So really unique airplanes. They also have, which is really cool, the fire version that actually sprays for fires and stuff of that sort. There's another one that actually air tractor is used for, like I said, spraying the fields. Arizona has some of the largest farms out here, so you know these guys stay busy quite a bit. Matter of fact, Joe says that in summertime he'll do probably 6,000 acres in a day. So by the time he's done, he's just beat. So really unique airplanes, very cool to watch. So. And it's really cool do what I do to run into some of these people that are the other side of the this whole getting rid of these pests on these farms. So it's very unique. As you see, he's taking all the skins off the plane, checking, you know, the welds and all that stuff. These planes go through some heavy stress levels, you know, carrying especially fluid. You talk about stuff that's constantly moving, so it's not like carrying a heavy load of like steel that stays still. So it has a lot of stress levels as far as that goes. But very unique and badass plane when you watch them do their job. So some of the most skilled pilots I've ever known are these guys that fly these type of airplanes.
We've seen some repairs that have been done to it over the years, and we've actually did some recoating on it. That's why it's kind of a green looking color, because it's got resin.
And this holds 800 gallons worth of chemical?
Yeah, so it's kind of like a spa.
So as far as the fire ones too, it holds it's probably the same kind of structure?
Yes, they're 800 also, yeah.
Okay, very cool.
And then, yep, that's it. And then, of course, the little pump is on the bottom that pumps the stuff out into those booms.
Into the sprayers.
And then in there, that's my office.
Yeah, exactly, your office. The business end of making sure this thing gets off the ground.
And that way you're doing parallel swaths across the whole thing.
Okay, now you're saying the lines like on in the field?
No.
Oh, or what's the lines?
These are
GPS.
It's all GPS, and what we want to do is run a grid.
Okay.
Of parallel lines, so we get the best coverage with what we're applying.
Gotcha.
So you come down the edge of the field and you lay an A and a B.
Okay.
And it'll go 70 feet. That's pass 1. Pass 2, 70 feet. Pass 3, 70 feet. And you just progress across the field.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. I was always wondering how you guys knew where you last laid down or whatever.
Yeah.
It would be definitely
There's a
GPS.
computer screen in there now, and it'll show you a little picture. I mean, it just moving display.
Right. Very cool.
And it's 5 gallon across the field.
Wow, that is that's technology.
The problem that it's this upwind and downwind thing when you get it messes you.
Yeah.
But it's got a valve and it just compensates and puts out more or less.
Now, with all the fluid up front, of course, it's definitely nose heavy. How was the balance on this? I mean,
well, it's not. I mean, it is built. The way the weight and balance is on the aircraft, the center of gravity does not move a whole lot. The aircraft gets heavy, but it does not move forward or aft a whole lot.
Okay.
So the airplane stays down, which is aerodynamically you got to have it that way.
Sure. Very interesting. So everything's computerized. To say I don't think you really need to worry about the speed necessarily as much. I would say when you especially now how low do you normally fly?
About 5 to 10 feet.
5 to 10 feet above the crop. Wow, that's really low. So you probably have some wind issues coming off the ground, or no?
No, because you're going away from it. You
Okay.
do get the vortices that come off the wingtips, but
Right.
you're in front of that, so it's
Okay, perfect. Well,
and naturally you want to get lower so the chemical goes where it needs to. It's not up in the airflow.
Okay, very cool.